Hello guys, my name is Anderson. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create menu animation in Figma. Alright, menu animation in Figma. Alright, let's go straight to Figma. Okay, alright, let's move straight to Figma. Okay, this is exactly what I will be showing you how to create. You can see, let's increase the size of the screen. Alright, okay, alright, okay, like this. Okay, this menu animation, you can see the way it is here. Alright, like this, like this, like this. This is exactly what I want to show you how to create in Figma menu animation. Now let's move straight to our working area. Okay, our working area. Okay, this is exactly what I did. Let's throw this one away. Let's have it. Okay, let's create a new page. All right, let's create a new page for this, page 7. All right, you can give it any name. You can say web. All right, now it has been created. Now the first thing to do is come here, pick your rectangle tool, then draw a rectangle like this, then come here, give it a corner radius of 30, then after that let's change the color of that rectangle. Give it a nice color. Okay, just give it a nice color like this. Okay, the next thing to do is come here now, pick ellipse tool. Now hold your shift key, then draw a perfect circle, a perfect ellipse. Okay, the next thing, double click your ellipse, double click it, then just this anchor point, hold on, go back a little, go back, come here, bring it up. Now double click your ellipse, click on this anchor position, just modify this anchor position, just modify it like this. Come here also, come here, modify this one also like this. Okay, then push this one a little bit down. Alright, come here, just give it a little adjustment. Alright, also do the same to this, like this, like this. Come here also, do the same. Make sure you'll give it a nice, then click outside. Let's increase the size of the ellipse, hold your shift and draw. Alright, this way. Alright, come here, do the modification again. Alright, come here, like this, also like this, like this. Come here also, make sure you increase the hand like this. Okay, then the color of this, let's change the color. Let's give it a white color so that it can match with the background. All right, then next thing to do is come here again, pick your ellipse tool. Let's draw additional ellipse tool here, hold your shift and draw a perfect circle. Alright, you can increase the size a little bit and draw a circle like this. Okay, you can let's give it a dark color. Alright, let's give it a dark color then and adjust it so that it is centered. Alright, the next thing to do now, next thing to do, I would like to get some icon from plugins. Alright, from plugin in Figma. Now I've installed some plugins that will enable me to do some design that I want to design. Here we are going to use icon dog. Alright, icon dog. The first icon we need this. we need this profile icon. The next thing we need this setting icon. The next thing that we need, what else? The next thing to do, we have a profile icon, home. The next thing is home. Let's look for home icon. Okay, we have one here. Let's look for a nice one. Home icon. You can type it here, home. All right, and search. Okay, it will come up. We have. Okay, let's take this. I go for that. Now you can let that one go now. Now the next thing, let's redefine the shape by reducing it. Just reduce it. All right, reduce the shape. Is too large here. Let's reduce it a little bit. The same thing here. Reduce it. After that, center the icon. Come here. Come here. Then tidy up. After tidy up, you what? Align vertical center. All right. Then after that, push them up like this. Then the next thing to do is here, pick this icon, center it here at this ellipse, just center it there. Then come here to the stroke. When you get to the stroke, change the color. Just give it a nice color. All right, give it a nice color. Then color like this. All right, perfect. Then after that, before this, we have to group this. Group the ellipse. Let's group the ellipse together. Group the ellipse. Ctrl G. It has been grouped. You can see it here. Now let's do some arrangement here. Let's arrange these icons. The way they are here is like scattered. Let's arrange them. Okay, it's fine here. Okay, it's fine here. Okay, the next thing to do, we've grouped it already, right? We grouped it. The next thing to do is position your icon here. Position it there. Make sure you center it. Make sure you center the icon here like that. Okay, the next thing to do, highlight everything. Then right click, frame select. Let's frame select it. Okay, which is this. Then that frame selection, give it a name, profile. Okay, there's something I want us to do. Instead of profile, let's interchange this. Let's make home be up here. Then bring this profile here. Then setting will be here. Okay, I believe this is how it is on your mobile phone. All right, let's bring this one here. Center it. Change the color. What you should change is the stroke color, not the field. All right, change the stroke color. Then pick your eyedropper tool. Take this color. All right, nice one. Okay, the next thing to do, make sure you center this icon here, this home icon. Make sure you center it, which is this. The next thing to do, change this one to white. Change the stroke color to white. All right, change the stroke color to white. In fact, all the icon that is not active, make sure they are white. Okay, the inactive icon, make sure they are white. The next thing to do, now we are going to give this a name, home. All right, home. Give it a name, home. That is it. Then the next thing to do, hold your Alt key, then duplicate this. Duplicate this. Okay, at this point, just watch. The next thing you have to do here, we are going to shift the group icon. Hold your shift it to this other side, to this other end. Then pick this one up, excuse me, go back, pick this one up, center it, make sure it is centered, okay, the way it is, make sure it is centered like this, okay. Then bring this one down, bring this one down, bring this one down, make sure it is in the same alignment. All right, you can check it by holding your shift, align them here, okay, it is aligned. Okay, after that we are going to let's change the color of this profile. Then come here, come to the stroke area, pick your eyedropper tool and what, change the color. The same thing, this one that is not active, change the color, change the stroke color to what, white. All right, to white. The same thing, let's change the, at this time is no longer home, it is profile. All right, profile. All right, profile. Okay, that is for that. The next thing, we are going to duplicate this one again, duplicate it, hold your alt key, drag this one down. All right, that's, yes, it's duplicated. Okay, now the same thing, the next thing to do, we are now at this point where let's move, click, hold your shift, then drag this, hold your shift and drag this group to this point. Okay, then bring this one down, bring it down, make sure they are in what, in alignment. This one, the setting icon here, take it up, make sure you center it. Okay, then the next thing, let's change this setting icon color, the stroke color. Come here, pick your eyedropper tool, change the color to what, orange, deep orange. All right, make sure this thing is, the icon here is centered very well. Okay, that is for that. Then the profile icon, change the color, what, change the stroke color to white, because at this point is no longer active. That is for that. Then the next thing to do, highlight all of them, highlight it. After you must have highlighted it, come here, tidy up. Then after tidying up, then come here to this component, right click or click the drop down menu, then create component set. That is that. Then after that, the next thing to do, come here, come to the prototype, let's do some prototyping. Now here, come here, when you click on the home, it will take you to this. All right, on click, smart animate, then profile, yes, you go to profile, then smart animate is out, then 400 milliseconds, then cancel this. The next thing is, come here, take this one straight down. Okay, the same thing, the same setting. The next thing to do, come here, take this one down. All right, the same thing, take this one up here, then also the same thing here, take this one up. Then we are left with this, here. The next thing to do, when you click on this, where is it taking us? It will take out here also. It take us here. Okay, we are left with this. When this thing is clicked, when this one is clicked, the icon, meanwhile, remember, is the icon we are prototyping, we are setting. In case when you are clicking on make sure it is icon you are clicking on, because what is active here is the icon. So anything apart from the icon is not active. All right, when you click on this one, what will take you to this profile. All right, so this is our prototype now. All right, let's give it a name. You can give it Anderson. All right, you can give it Anderson. Okay, then you can shift it somewhere else. Just shift it somewhere else. Then come here, create your frame again. Create frame. Create frame. Then come here to the assets. Type Anderson. All right, because that is the name we saved it with. Okay, is here. Bring it here. All right, that is it. Okay, the next thing to do, let's check the work we just did. Let's check it. Remove it from prototype. Let's check it. Okay, come here, play it. All right, it's loading. All right, let's check what we have done. Let's check it. Is here. Now let's come here, make it full screen. Come here, full screen. Now let's check. You can see. Okay, make sure this is what I was telling you. Make sure it's the icon you are clicking on. Okay, make sure it's the icon you are clicking on. You can see. This is how to create animation in Figma. All right. Okay, this is how to create animation in Figma, like this. All right, guys, if you found value on this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, so that when next I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you so much. All right.